What's up guys, in case you missed it, I just picked up a new project vehicle. If you would like to see the adventures that transpired picking up this car, I'm going to post a link to it up over here and you can watch that. It was a complete fiasco. I literally was planning on going and picking up this car and then going straight to the climbing gym to go train with a friend. But that didn't happen. It ended up taking like 30-40 minutes to get to a gas station that was literally 5 minutes away because the car kept dying, it wouldn't start, and there was all kinds of problems. Ended up getting it home only for the check engine light to go off. The windshield wipers exploded, so I ended up changing those out. And then I went to get the car smogged after clearing the check engine light, and it still wouldn't pass, so there was all kinds of stuff going on. I needed to win today. So I figured I would show you guys how to change the battery in a 2000-ish VW. This should work for the Mark IV Golf, it should work for the Jetta, and it works for a Beetle, which this key goes towards. Now, I did make a video of this already, and the win I was hoping for didn't happen because I think this key is way too far gone. But at the very least, I can show you a video on how to change the battery. So, step one, you're going to want to get yourself a flathead screwdriver like this. Step two, you're going to pop the blade open like that. And then you're going to turn the emblem facing up like this, and then you're going to see a little crevice right there in between. You're going to take a screwdriver and you're going to stick it in here and twist gently, and what that's going to do is separate the two halves there, just like that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to try to separate these two like this, just like that. You might need to use a screwdriver to kind of wedge in there, but this thing is so battered that I was able to just open it with my fingers. Just splits open like that. The battery, the new battery goes in here. I replaced the battery, but when I took the original battery out, this whole area here was really rusted out. I think the previous owner dropped the key in the water and the circuitry might be dead. I'm looking at this stuff here. It's focusing on my face. Stop focusing on my face. There it is. This stuff right here is all kinds of rotted and corroded. So it just might be that the circuit board is now toast. So I might just need to get a new key fob. I tried to go start the car even with a new battery, but still not working. Tried to open the door. The car starts fine, but couldn't open the door with the key fob. Anyway, I guess the win for today is I was able to show you how to successfully change the battery. My next thing I'm going to do here to try to get this thing working again is I'm probably just going to order a new one of these key fobs and see if I can program that. So stay tuned for that. This is part one of how to update your key fob thing. At the very least, I've shown you how to change the battery. Hope this is helpful for you guys. Stay tuned for the next video and we'll see you guys later.